All right, guys, we're live on several platforms. One is YouTube. One is Dr. Bam. Welcome, everybody. He has 27 subscribers. I have 83, 90,000 followers on mine. And
I can check
Dr. Bam probably is in the 10 to 14,000 followers. So welcome. Dr. Bam will be joining us pretty soon. Thank you guys for watching.
He is at...
And we are live for any kind of questions that you want. Yesterday we did a penile augmentation. And we did it using fat grafting around the entire shaft. It's hard to make length, it's easier to make girth. So I appreciate you guys being on. You can ask questions about anything. It doesn't have to be about the male member. It can also be about, we also do women labiaplasty. We do tightening. We're gonna put a get a leads button here for you. Add now.
And we can't do it on YouTube.
We can't do leads.
We
have two people live. You guys just
they have the
top chat, live chat, all messenger visible. So we're gonna chat with you two here on YouTube. That if you guys want in.
there's not much on YouTube for.
Yeah, there's not really much we can do.
The
We can
lead
chat with
form
you though.
is in the description of the channel though.
There you go.
The
Our
top
lead
form.
form on YouTube is in the description. We don't have any questions yet, but thank you guys for watching. So this week last week we had a busy week. I think all of us did about 20 to 25 surgeries last week. The 5 of us. It's very busy. This week is, sometimes there are weeks that are down and a lot of weeks that are up. And of course, as we get toward the, spring break, it's going to get busier and busier for all you teachers out there who have surgery during spring break. We're getting a lot of likes. Thank you very much. Some comments that were filtered to protect community service. Love to see you happy. Hi, Boom Boom Pal. I'm going to do that. October. She's coming. And this one says October. I'm excited for surgery with you in October from Oklahoma. Thank you, Desi. We're going to pin your comment. We get people from all over the United States and all over the world. We've had UK. We've had Montenegro. We've had everywhere in South America just about. We've had Germany. We've had England. Even Wales. Ireland. Let's see. And we're following you now. Thank you guys again. Lucy liked the live. Lucy liked the live. She's really liking Dr. Bam. Dr. Bam will be joining us here in a minute for all things plastic surgery. You guys always want to ask us. This is the time. We can pay full attention to you. I'm looking now to see what you guys are saying too.
It was hot in there. Oh, it was hot in there.
I think that was
Now here's
just
Dr.
you.
Bam.
It was. I was burning off, sweating. Usually I don't sweat unless I'm with light on. It's a bright light, bright light.
So Dr. Bam is here, the famous. He's in baby blue.
In the blue. Hello. Nope, they're from San Antonio too.
San Antonio, everybody put where you're from down below. I lost 50 pounds. Nice to see you have so much loose skin. We are the loose skin experts. Matter of fact, we all help each other too to make your operation a little bit less lengthy. That helps you with coagulation. That helps you. There's a good morning doc for you, doc.
Good morning.
We're gonna pin you. We're gonna pin that comment. Good morning. We got a little short form here.
DK.
She's from Phoenix,
Phoenix.
Arizona. What's your BMI limit? I'm gonna pin this. Everybody asks us this. I tend to be 38. The guys want 35. Ultimately, at a 38, are you gonna look better? Yes. Are you gonna be excellent? Are you gonna be good? Yes. But I had a lady who is still 183 pounds at 5'2". She complained that she still looks pregnant. Well, you gotta lose weight. And she said, that's not what I asked. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm like, well, I don't make the rules about how you look pregnant. So that's why BMI limits. We try to make them as low as possible, but you guys want to make them as high as possible. Hello in San Antonio. Hello. How are you doing?
We cannot fix 40 years of your work with 3 hours of our work.
That's the
Adrian, decline. Why do people do that?
Because they want to piggyback off your 106 viewers.
Yeah, that
wanna
and
be
they
like
want to be
you.
trolls too.
Yeah, not happening. Sorry, don't ask. Manjaro's in 22, and I'm affirming that I'll have my surgery December. Yay! Nice job, D. We put about half of our patients on Manjaro now or more, pre-op and then post-op. So excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you guys
What's the one in
again.
the middle? Is it middle Instagram?
This is YouTube. We're trying to see. Got 8 now.
And you
Hello, love from
Hello.
Pakistan. Well, we can't
Pakistan.
pin this, right?
It was really
No.
hot during surgery, so I wanted to try and see if the Q&As would do well.
So you can pin this. We're really weird. What are you streaming on? Just YouTube? Matt, we're also streaming on our TikToks. I'm Dr. Boom Boom Pow. It's Dr. Bam. We got some happy faces here. How soon post-op can Manjaro be started? Within a week or two. So how soon after we recommend about a week after you can start that next dose.
I think we got called arrogant.
Oh, we did?
Online.
Sharon Vanderwalker, arrogant, all right, whatever. Seems like you have bigger problems. Let's see. How
soon
long
after-
after tummy tuck would I know if it's revision time? I mean, really revisions after tummy tuck, so we wait a year. We wait to see them, make sure that you lose your weight as well. We went to see 10 to 15% weight loss for an excellent result.
Can you get liposuction after an umbilical hernia? Depends on how big the hernia is.
And did they fix it?
And has it been fixed? Yeah. If
Yes.
you're getting a tummy tuck, we can fix small ones at the same time.
Sacramento,
I did one
Missouri,
yesterday.
go Mizzou,
Fixed one yesterday.
DeGay, DeGay.
Two weight is 160. I need to lose a stubborn 35 pounds.
Okay, we do the Manjaro here, the skinny shot. We sign you up. It's about $4.99 a month, up to 8 milligrams a
I
month.
think she's from New York. I think she was asking about that last time.
Oh, okay, yeah. Just here, we're gonna hit this get a quote button down below. Fill out this short form, DGay. North Carolina in the house. Niagara Falls in the house. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I haven't been in Niagara Falls since I was in my teens. But you go on this thing called the Maiden of the Mist. It's a boat that goes under
They
it.
still let you go over in barrels when you were 10?
No comment.
That was
let's
a long
see.
time ago.
At SC Celeste, at Dr. Boom Boom Pound, registered trademark, nice. Pros and cons about drainless tummy tuck. Is that something you offer? There's a lot of cons with it. The only pro is that you don't feel the drains. The cons are you get seromas. We have to do a special glue.
Yep.
It's
from
more
New York.
expensive.
Yeah, I remember things. There we go, DK.
All right,
She is
DK.
from New York.
There you
I
go.
knew I remember that.
Good job, DK. We love that you're on. Dr. Bam, we once you fly in, we set you up with a hotel and all that. We work that out with you through our girls. G gave somebody at Kristen Reyes. Hopefully she goes.
Hey, from Alabama.
Missy, Dr. J is the best. I recommend him. Had my mommy makeover. Thanks. If you guys want to see my Dr. Boom Boom Pow.
People say BBL is bad. How bad is it? You're sore, you're swollen from the liposuction for 2-3 months, but it goes away. Do you think Sonabella is a good way to get rid of fat cells in your belly? Doesn't Sonabella do liposuction?
They do fat cells. Are you talking about in the side of your belly, like where you're eating? No, that's weight loss. Hey, from Colorado. Hey. Good morning, Doc. Peggy Pack. Hey, Peggy.
Yeah, there you go, DK. Lucy said that she did the semiglutide and she lost 35 pounds.
There you go.
There you
Lots
go.
of good stuff. I've had people lose
How is
100
pain
pounds.
managed after surgery? So we give our patients hydrocodone that they take, and then as soon as possible, switch them to ibuprofen, Aleve, Tylenol.
Here you go. Here's one for you.
One foot thing. What is the recovery for
after
BBL? No sitting on it.
What's up, Seattle?
If possible, for about 4 to 6 weeks.
What's up, Peggy Pack?
No exercise for about 6 weeks.
Where are you? Mugadas World. We're in San Antonio, Texas. Mugadas World, I guess. Maybe I'm saying that wrong. Mujeres. Just kidding. 2 new messages.
What do you do when the pharmacy doesn't have the meds?
Call in another pharmacy.
Go to a different pharmacy. Yeah, that's why we recommend you get the medicine at least 2 or 3 days before your surgery.
What BMI is too low for skinny BBL? I mean, that kind of goes to how big you want your butt. So I'd say somebody under 20 would be hard to get fat from. Under 25 is reasonable. Otherwise, you have to split the fat between hips and butt. How much is an augmentation? $59.99 and up. Why do surgical complications happen to some people, not others? 99% of the time, they're not listening to post-op instructions. Memphis, Tennessee.
How does liposuction work? We put a cannula on suction. At the end of the cannula are holes. I was looking around to try to find one here, but I don't see one. We go in and out of where your fat is, and we get rid of fats.
I have too much pain in teeth. What can I do?
Go to the dentist.
Dentist. We're not dentists.
Sounds risky these days with the medication problems caused by the DEA. The DEA did not cause the medication. The problems with
People cause
opioid abuse is caused by people. It is a self-limiting problem.
Val said, good morning, Doc, with a bunch of hearts. Good morning,
Not gonna
Val.
Get into politics on TikTok.
Here goes some more here for you, Doc. I have fat. Can I donate? How much is a BBL?
Fat, can I donate? I wish we could figure out a way to take fat off of somebody and give it to somebody else. If you could ever do that, you would be the richest man in the world.
We have 10
Or
people
person in the
on.
world.
To give you an idea, we have 10 people on
I'm
YouTube.
afraid of the IV.
And
What can I
153
do?
on mine. Afraid of the IV.
That's the smallest part of the surgery.
It takes like a few seconds.
Jay said BS. Okay, Jay, I don't know what BS is, but if you're
All right, if you're going to be like a weirdo, we're just going to get you out of
you're
here.
about to get into politics, which
Don't get into politics, bro. That's not what this is about. See you later. You're out. All right.
Yeah.
Being on here is a privilege, not a right. I'm the first. I'll be the first person ready to donate.
when you're ready.
Okay, Alyssa, that's called the liposuction.
Yeah, she wants to donate fat to give to somebody
I know.
else. That's what
What's the BMI max for flank lipo? Tammy, I mean, try to be below 30 if you can. I mean, 35, you'll still look good. 38, don't know.
A rock star. Used to be 300 pounds, lost it slowly with diet and exercise over 8 years. We're now 182. How would a BBL work for a male? Yes. So I've done male BBLs before, you know.
Good morning,
You're
Doc.
not getting
Valerie
a lot
Dorsey.
of.
Good morning,
You're not
Valerie.
going for the, you know, the Kardashian look. So you just
Tammy.
want some more cushion while
Nice
you're
hearts.
sitting down. BMI have to be for lipo under 38.
That's what we like.
The lower the BMI, the better results are going to be.
Countryside of New York. What up? 2.
Where are you? We are in
Crazy
San Antonio,
Mary.
Texas.
Hey, we have 10 on YouTube.
Crazy May.
163.
Go ahead.
Oh, man, you
BMI
have 315 people, bro. Sweet.
BMI for tummy tuck under 35.
Is BBL safe for kidney transplant patients or tummy tuck? Ooh, man. I mean, you'd have to be off. Yeah, you may have to be off those rejection meds for a week, but I don't know.
Your nephrologist would have.
Your
to
nephrologist would have to
one.
clear you on that. I just moved from Dallas to Colorado. How long till I could fly back? We like you to drive or take the train back, but if you're going to fly, 2 to 3 weeks minimum, depending on the surgery.
So, dog turd, do you guys have the injections that you can localize to the fat and break it down? I think you're talking about
Kybella, it sucks.
Yeah, that's at the med spa.
But it sucks. What does the 360 lipo entail? It goes all the way around the upper lower abdomen, upper back, flanks, and we turn you around. How much does it cost? We don't know what you're talking about, Pinky. There's a lot we do. Portland, PNW, just a mom. Something woman. Dreaming of tummy tuck one day. Okay, Brittany, make your dreams come true. We have financing. 29 BMI can have a tummy tuck. No, that's fine. That's
Yeah.
pretty good.
It's still
We like
overweight,
that.
yes. If you go by BMI classifications,
25
I
is
think
overweight.
29 is over. Yeah, it's
But
still
that's better than we
classified
get here. We
overweight.
get 35, 39 all the time. 38. Is it normal to bleed again after your drains clear out with a tummy tuck? I can't say that for every case, so we don't give 100%.
What are the odds of hereditary fat returning after liposuction?
Where are you located? Elizabeth, in San Antonio.
Hereditary fat. So when you do liposuction, you're removing those
Sandra
fat cells.
Lee, how much
so
cost
it's
for
not
chin
those fat
lipo?
cells that are returning.
About $39.99
it's
to
the fat cells that are
$49.99.
still there because
But
we
we
can't
also
get rid of all
we'll
the
put the
fat
get the
cells.
lead button right here.
Those fat cells are growing because calories. Your face
I'm
hurts.
20
What
days,
can I
mommy
use?
makeover Pope out.
I don't know.
M. Lashton Lotus, I'm 12 days. Mommy Makeover post-op. Lots of love to Dr. J. Thank you. M. Lashton Lotus. Get it, girl.
Do you do skin removal on bypass and kidney transplant? So for the kidney transplant, you would have to get your nephrologist to clear
Abdul,
you.
hello.
You may have to come off your anti-rejection meds.
I was seeing your
all that
Instagram
sort of
in the
things.
sea.
But
Okay.
for a bypass, are you talking about gastric bypass, so you have a lot of loose skin? Yes, we do that quite often.
All right, here you go. Does going under put stress on the heart? Mildly, if your heart is fine, it will tolerate going under anesthesia.
Typo, not too much fat, I meant.
I'm diabetic. Will it be okay to get a tummy tuck? Most of the people we have who get tummy tucks are diabetic because you have extra fat. How bad is the scar line after tummy tuck? Love you guys. Sometimes it's short, sometimes it's long. Depends on how your BMI is. But it's always pretty good.
We always try to keep it low so it's hidden by underwear and bathing suits.
I'm Anthony's sister.
Oh, God.
Oh, Lord.
Good luck.
Big A. How much for chin lipo? $59.99 and above. Depends on the surgeon. How long do I have to wait for after hysterectomy for tummy tuck?
6 months.
6 months. Well, I need to wait if I have...
Crazy May, I don't know why your face hurts. I can't help you if I don't know why your face hurts.
So, will I need to wait after I had sepsis this year? It depends on the sepsis. I'm going to have clearance from your doctors.
You need a mommy makeover. If you want a mommy makeover, hit this get a quote button and somebody will be reaching out to you.
Val said, she said something, but Val, this comes really fast, so you may have to repeat.
Good morning, friends from San Antonio. Yes, Fabby. What part of San Antonio are you from,
Grandma,
Fabby?
Josh, when can someone sit after BBL? 2 weeks.
We are located in San
Florida,
Antonio.
Maria, where are you
We are
located?
in San Antonio.
Rockstar, have you ever had a case that is stuck in your mind after EE, good or bad? We have plenty of those. Yeah, both of us have cases that stick out in our mind. It
7
could be too much.
years of 2 biosine sutures in
Florida,
face.
Maria, how much is a tummy tuck? Approximately
Bias- I'm
$99.99
not
to
familiar with bias and
$29.99.
sutures, so
Depends
those
on
might
which
be
doctor
permanent.
you have.
If those are permanent,
Linda, high
you
normal
might
to have
need
incision line
a
hurt 4 weeks
facelift to
post-op
go in and
mastectomy
excise those
implants. Most of them
neuromas.
stand up.
If
It
they
can.
are
Massage will help.
temporary
and time.
then it might just
Where are
be
we located? San
something
Antonio.
else. Amanda, good morning. I think you're coming up soon, huh?
Yeah.
I want a tummy tuck. What's the highest BMI you will perform surgery on? 35 is
Angel
our upper
Torres St.
limits.
Rose. Alguin K. Traduscan. Maybe I can translate this.
Hit the don't show for 10 minutes because it keeps popping up. I'm about to just block.
Someone to translate. Elizabeth Gamboa. Yamame.
Early signs of capsular contracture, change in shape, change in size of the breast, change in the appearance.
Can someone get ab itching? I
And
think
hard.
you mean ab etching. ETCHIG. Yes, we do. We charge anywhere from $7,000 to $9,000 for that.
Ah, so your Saturday surgery, Amanda. All right.
Oh,
Perfect.
that's for you?
Yep.
I've never been under the knife for anesthesia, and I won't start. Okay.
Have either of you had work done?
Thanks,
You
Molly
have really
Pie.
Good skin, both
Doesn't
of you.
matter. Everybody else will.
I don't. I
Flora,
have
where are
the
you located?
typical
San Antonio?
dad bod skincare routine. Splash a little lotion on the
let's see.
face in the morning. That's about it. After a shower.
Good for you. Shaking my head from Lil Beta. Now you guys are fighting. That's freaking awesome. Amelin, 1. I currently have
Got a tummy
capsular
tuck
contracture.
London, full all around
We have an
workout.
Aspen
Awesome.
machine here, or you get surgery.
I need
Approximate
a
time
freaking
frame
lift.
until
Well,
being
come
able
on.
to go back to work
Come on,
after
Beebs.
mommy
Get your
makeover.
lift.
2 to 4 weeks. Depends on the job. Would y'all do a tummy tuck on someone who has a history of gastric cancer? As long as
If
you're
you beat
clear.
gastric cancer, congratulations in its own right.
Probably if you're not on chemotherapy anymore.
How I work
Molly
out daily
Pie-
for 30 years. How come I can't lose the fat on my sides? Genetics, genetics, genetics.
I think Anna Sweetbear also talked to Molly Pie. Can't wait to get a BC session pouch. It'll affect your life
Oh,
every day.
You got somebody catfighting in your own?
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Yeah, they're cat fighting. Molly Pie, you probably shouldn't have said that, but it's kind of fun
What
to watch
helps
you guys.
dark spots on your face? Skincare routine,
There's
lasers
a lot of world people here on this.
on YouTube.
Yeah, it's odd thing. Florida Maria, after 5-6 days, will the tummy tuck scar be lower? It could be. Depends on where it is now, how much we have to remove. My contracture is from radiation from breast cancer. My PC says if he fixes it, it will come back. It can. 33% do.
You may need a tissue transfer, a tissue flap, either a latissimus or a DIEP flap.
Allie, I'm a nurse lifting patients often, then probably closer to 3 to 4 weeks. Allie.
Is a hospital stay? No. So 99.999% of all of our surgeries, we operate at an outpatient surgery center. You can either go home that same day, you can stay one night in our surgery center, or you stay one night in a recovery hotel,
Yeah.
but none of them are in hospitals.
Hemoglobin A1C, 6'3", type 2 diabetic, lost 50 pounds. What's the ideal weight for tummy? What is your height and your body stuff?
How curable is mantle lymphoma cancer? I have no idea what mantle lymphoma cancer is, so I can't answer that.
My left groin nitrous is lower than my right. I have implants. Will the lift help? It should, but we have to see it.
You might have to do a little crease revision.
Crease
or
revision,
something.
lift. Marilee Rose Doc is tired. No, I'm not. Lindy B was packing clothes away for a move and feel more sore after masturbation. Dude,
Stay open. I need liposuction. Come on down.
stop packing stuff. And yes, you're going to be sore if you do crazy things at home like that.
How long?
Come on, man.
How long after the surgery was it?
5'5", height,
Surgery
currently
today.
200.
We already did a surgery today. I have one tomorrow.
See. 5'5", 200.
We had one
BMI.
case canceled today, so that decreased our volume today. which
Yeah,
is no
just
big
me
deal.
today.
I have significant rippling. My plastic surgeon said it's just the way my implants will be, not accurate.
Could be.
It depends if you had the implants placed on top of the muscle, if they are saline implants. Both of those things have
There's-
a higher chance of rippling.
God, man, a lot of questions coming. 5'5", 200 pounds. Someone gave me a hat. You're at 33 BMI. That's okay.
Liposuction,
Better to
how
lose
long will I be
weight.
down?
5'1", ideal
2
weight.
weeks.
Probably 140 to 160 for a floor.
Silicone under the muscle.
4'9", 135 with tummy tuck by idea or lipo. We won't
Rippling
know.
is
Anna
underneath.
Sweet the Bear. I'm gonna pin this. Get us a consult because I need to see what your goals are.
Rippling
Currently
underneath you may always have because the muscle window
let's see.
shades up. So you may always have, if you didn't have a lot of breast tissue, if
Size
you have overly
10.
large implants, you might
Like
still,
to see you floor
no matter what,
in the 140
have
range.
rippling. You
Can
can
you
always,
get BBL with kidney nephritis?
you
Yes.
can always get a little
After you've,
fat
gotten over it.
grafting to the breast around that
How old
area
is
of
too old
rippling.
for tummy
That'll
tuck? It's
help
basically
camouflage
medical
it.
history, not age. I've had blood clots. Gonna get 360
Yeah, mostly on
lipo.
the bottom. You can get fat grafting on top of the implant
Depends.
to give a little bit more.
You'd have to
soft
get clearance
tissue
from
coverage.
your doctor. How long recovery for tummy tuck? 3 to 6 weeks.
Summer, yes. You
Florida,
can get a
you're
tummy tuck
welcome.
or
My doctor says
lipo
120.
if you had the umbilical
Okay.
hernia repaired.
120 to 140. If I had blood clots in the past,
350
gonna get
cc,
360.
lower A prior to
Yeah,
implants.
you're-
Yeah,
you
so
can-
you're probably
you may
thin,
get
so you have a very thin skin
A
probably.
blood clot, but we'll give you
But-
blood thinners, but that doesn't go 100%. Wegovy side effects. Reflux is the big side effect.
So if you're 5
nausea.
foot, you should weigh 140 pounds. If that's what the BMI chart says, yes.
Well, the younger the better, right? For tummy tuck, obviously, the younger your heart's younger. But we do tummy tucks on 67-year-olds.
How many
3
patients are
C-sections with
requesting
scared
family
tissue
members to donate
cause a
unvaxxed blood prior
problem
to surgery? We
with
don't need
removing
blood
extra
for our
skin?
surgery.
No.
We don't need transfusions.
We're okay with C-sections.
Why do some docs do abdominoplasty awake with a spinal block instead of general anesthetic?
What's the best
They
implant
may
for pectus?
not have an
silicone.
anesthesiologist available.
Paul, with the blood clots, do you recommend lipo?
yeah.
Depends on your situation, as what your
No
goal
problem,
is.
Nana.
Poppy, I've lost 100 pounds. What does it cost to get rid of all the hanging skin? 10,000 up to 25,000, depends on the surgeon here at the office. I'm a little bit more expensive.
9:30,
9:30. So excited for my consult with you guys. Thanks, Days. We're gonna pin your comment. And guys, if you want consults, you want us to get more in depth, hit this consult link below. Where are you located? Brio Mama, we are located San Antonio, baby. How did the surgery go? Renee went great. Renee, of course. We're 2 board certified, experienced, real plastics, not some creepers. Fake. We're not fake plastic surgeons.
What is the BMI scale for a 5-foot person weighing? So I don't memorize the BMI scale. I have an app. I will put it here. That is the app that I use. Just Google or just Apple Store BMI.
Another thing is you can go to our link tree and there's a BMI calculator for you. Where can I get more information? Diana, here you go. Acevedo, fill out this thing right now. I just put it
Pre-med
down.
students looking around the shadow surgeons.
Paula.
Jorge Garcia,
I
where are
want
you,
360
Jorge?
lipo, but scared
Where
because
are
I've
you?
had blood clots. Yes, you should be a little afraid, but
Mama of two,
we do
do
give
y'all-
blood thinners
Do y'all do
before and after.
DIEP flaps? Dr. J, do you want to do a DIEP flap?
No, but I want my stomach gone. Okay,
No,
Paula,
we don't
time
do
to fill out.
DIEP flaps. Those are
We've
for
given
breast
as much
cancer.
as we know about you. You gotta
Those are
hit,
for-
hit this form below.
Those are for breast cancers.
You guys are too cute to be
patients.
surgeons. Love your minds. Thanks, Sonny. You're awesome.
Jorge San Marcos. So okay, so you're right here. He's a pre-med student wants to shadow surgeons.
You can do it for one day. We can't have you the rest of our lives. We do a lot of work.
Wow.
How do you feel about surgeries in Mexico? Depends on the surgeon.
Shoot us a DM, Jorge. Somebody
So
can
if you
we'll
find
get back to you.
a board-certified Mexican surgeon with great reviews, no problems there. But if you come to the U.S. and you have a problem, then no one will follow you here. Just submitted to a form to get a quote excited. LB Knight booty call. Or foodie call,
Body
sorry.
Foodie call. Foodie call, not booty call.
Sorry.
Shoulders.
LB Knight food. My glasses. Look, if I go
He
this way.
said booty call.
Is it time
LB
to
Knight
get new
booty
glasses?
call. That's foodie call. Yeah, LB Knight. This one. Thanks, LB. We're gonna hit the get a quote. Doc, can you see my comment? No, we
Can a
cannot.
ball of scar tissue be removed near the
Val.
throat? Depending.
It's cheaper in Mexico. Cheaper is not better. Do larger silicone implants have higher risk of bottoming out?
So there's three
Yes,
ways
they
of
do.
doing things. Cheap, fast, and good. You can only have two of the
Cheap,
three.
fast, good. Which one out of two out of the three? If you're cheap,
You can be fast or good.
if you're fast, you can be cheap, or good. Well, whatever. I say don't go to Mexico.
Yeah.
Tiffany, then you won't have anybody to follow you up here if you have an issue.
Had a tummy tuck last Friday. How's the recovery, Lisa? You getting around yet?
Yeah, we got all these people joining. We have 212. Dr. Bam.
Where do you want this on?
Put it like on the top of her breast.
Okay.
Just like here, where it's showing.
Okay.
Oh, Lord. What is that?
Me.
Is that you? Okay, I don't have your number.
I'm the 321 number.
That's her. All right, we've gotten a bunch of you filling out forms already.
321,
So keep filling them out. Flor de Maria Angel, all I would like is a tummy tuck. I have so much skin. Flor,
I'm not gonna.
Flor, por favor, firma tu nombre y que quieres abajo en el form.
DEANNA.
I never go there for surgery. I was just saying. I do want me some implants removed that are under muscle. Okay, Tiffany, go down there. I need a mommy makeover.
Do you already have a
with
boyfriend?
BBL? What's the cost? That's about 12 grand to 25 grand, depends on the surgeon. Do you take care credit all day? Short crime stories. What the hell? Want my implants removed that are under the muscle. We heard you, Tiffany. Fill out the form.
Coco Malone, you had 26
I will
implants.
implants look with small concave chest.
26
Probably
years
make her
implants,
chest look
yeah.
better. Tammy, what's the question? Now we've gotten 50 questions. It's your question. Sorry, you don't see it from this side, but we get a ton. Tammy, I'm trying to find Tammy's question, but I can't find it, man. Your question was a long time ago in TikTok time.
Chihuahuas.
We're gonna hit this, we're gonna pin this get a quote button right there. Best in the business, wonderful and excellent doctors. Thank you, Renee.
Bad B, you had lipo 360 over a year ago. Think I'm ready to get a tummy.
There
Yes,
you go.
yes,
That's usually
yes.
what happens.
The little itch begins with liposuction, and then you're like, okay, now I really want a tummy tuck. Oh my goodness, could you really fix it? Fix what? I missed your kin. Michael, we are in San Antonio, and Dr. Jeneby does have a boyfriend already. Sorry. He asked you, do you already have a boyfriend?
Boyfriend.
What's the best for frown lines? Fillers, Botox, facelift.
Tammy, please answer. We don't know the question anymore. There's tons of questions came in. Mercy. Tummy tuck.
Scar, da, 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 da.
9999 to up to 25,000 depends on the surgeon.
Would you
Jen,
do a poor old lady a pro
9999
bono
to
facelift and save her
12999.
life? How does a how does a facelift
Faces
save your
don't
life?
save your life. Sorry.
Two, we
That's-
can't do pro bono surgery.
Because that actually would
i.e.
cost me money. It's never free.
American Board of Plastic Surgery.
Yeah.
Can you guys give me some answers?
Sending in?
On what?
Deanna's sending him in. I filled out the form. Florida Maria Angel just filled out a form. We're looking right now. Thank you, Floor. I have a bunch of belly flap from losing weight. How do I get rashes and infections under the belly? You got to get rid of that either with a paniculectomy or tummy tuck. Jen, what's the price range for tummy tuck? $9,999. All the way up.
User 591525138522. Can you guys give me some answer?
To what?
Don't have a question. I just
We don't have a question. We don't have anything from you. And remember, we're seeing these come in quickly, so you may have to repeat it.
What do y'all think about Dr. Kim's face work? His work has been going viral. I don't know anything about Dr. Kim.
Heather, for thighs, you have a cut straight down the inside thigh, possibly. Depends how much looseness you have. You could have a hockey stick.
Good morning,
incision,
guys.
could
Smile.
be a Renuvion.
She told us to smile.
Is there a difference between a tummy tuck and just removing the bottom and flap of your tummy?
Mini tummy tuck. Age is 49. I will fill out the form. Yes. So fill out that form.
Tummy tuck and just removing the bottom. That's a paniculectomy. That's really hard to get insurance to pay for. We don't take insurance. Paniculectomy doesn't do any muscle stuff. It just cuts skin. That's not a great operation. Would that be covered by insurance? No.
I need my balls.
What's the process? For apron, belly,
Is that Anthony
BBL.
from across the street? Get to work if it is.
What's the process for apron, belly, and BBL?
Our favorite little leprechaun.
You hit this, fill out a short form, Diana Acevedo.
All right, Brooklyn
Tiffany
Graves,
Pfeiffer, your question probably has
out
gone
the-
up, so hit it again.
She's filling out the
My mom
form.
had a face of 6 months ago and would like to have another one
It's
to
a
do
must-see.
tighten.
Just look
Okay.
up Dr. Kim Lift.
You
Let
may
me look at that real fast.
you may have to need a CO2 resurfacing. Floor.
Dr.
Will my insurance
Kim
cover anything?
Lift.
No. Is tummy tuck comparable to C-section pain? We use Expiro for 3 days, so it helps.
Ah,
Can you add projection? Can you remove old hernia mesh repair during tummy tuck? Yeah, but why would we? What about people prone to keloids? You may get keloids again. Tummy tuck with insurance, let's share. No, we don't take it. And tummy tucks are not paid for by insurance. Excuse me, sir, I'd like the name of your dentist. That's cool, thank you.
all right.
Let's see.
So there's like all that stuff on Dr. Kim facelift. Do you know what they're talking about, Dr. Kim facelift?
No. Maybe it's a ponytail lift or something?
I don't know. Before, after.
Insurance is an oxymoron. Okay, thanks, David. How do you feel about halo laser resurfacing? I mean, all the resurfacing, the best you can get is called carbon dioxide and erbium. How long is your hair? Let's see.
How long?
There it is.
Oh, you're talking about him.
No, you're not talking about Dr. Bam. Hi from beautiful Montana. We love Montana. They called me, but I'm at work. Flora, we follow up fast.
So
How do you feel about paniculectomies? I don't like them because you don't do the muscle repair.
So Dr. Kim's facelifts. I mean,
Can you
he's trying
reconstruct
some new
or-
things. Good for him.
Or do a lift once my implants are removed. Yes,
Think
we
it's a
can.
little much?
Hot ramen girl. Dr. Boom Boom Pow. Love
Dr.
it.
Bam Bam. Anthony, get to work.
Will you still do any surgeries if I'm prone to staph? We'll have to give you some doxycycline and some washers ahead of time. Is a mini facelift good when you're in your 30s? That's a little early to start facelift. Oh my, your hair, Linda B. Well, you wanted it, you got it.
Sun and fun in
Wow,
SD.
Doc,
We
thanks,
are plastic
guys.
surgeons.
Your hair is beautiful. Is Bill real? Christina, yes, Bill is real. Bill Clinton?
No,
Billy Madison.
breast implant on us.
Oh, BBL with Von Willebrands. We have Von Willebrand factor enhancer so we can take care of you. Where are you located? Have you had any deaths? No deaths, San Antonio. I'm in Ohio. Do you do people up in a hotel? And what about aftercare? Yes. Any help if pay? Yes. We can get that all set up for you, Tiffany. We're going to hit this pin button. Tiffany, fill that out. Love the Houston Astros hat.
Spring training.
There
It's
we
already
go.
ongoing.
Thank you all for the
Somebody
information.
from
Quote
Tennessee.
sheet
What
sent
part
in.
of Tennessee?
Nice.
Training starts on Thursday, right?
Well, the
Can you add
pitchers
more
and
projection
catchers
to the
have already
glutes if the person
reported.
has glute input?
Full-
Yes, we can
full
do
team
fat
workouts
grafting
are
to the newly
coming
recon,
up
hit the
this weekend.
get a form. Why do some doctors do tummy tucks awake with spinal, with general? I don't know. I don't think that's great.
Why
I
didn't
like general
one of the
anesthetic.
black cat let the other one talk? Because his feed's busier than mine.
Surgery for papillary
I just
edema,
chime
octave
in
nerve
when
pressure. We
necessary.
don't do that.
Men's
What
six-pack
does
surgery.
Dr. Bill
Yep.
do? Who the hell's
Etching.
Dr. Bill? Dr. Bam? He's a plastic surgeon.
I don't know.
How do you know if your loose skin after weight loss can be treated with Nuvion? You get a quote,
Go
Stephanie,
Rangers.
right there,
It's all right.
so we can see you. How
Keep
long
the
is
World
tummy
Series
tuck
in
recovery?
Texas, that's okay.
Recovery 2 to 6 weeks. User 95 blah 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 blah. Hit everybody who wants to know more. You got to hit that and do a virtual. You don't even have to come in. We can look at you on a screen and tell you what you need. $75 for the consult goes towards surgery.
He reads so fast. Yes, he does read fast. Go
Cookie, I hope you
Islanders.
guys are doing well. Yes,
Anthony's
you
about
too.
to get blocked.
Cookie.
Where are you located? We're in San Antonio, Texas. Lipo 360 and tummy tuck, what's better? Do them together. Thoughts on buccal fat pad removal? Yes.
We do them.
Helps thin out the cheeks.
Gives you cheeks like this. Dude, I need some filler right there, by the way. I'm going to go see the girls today.
Just grow a beard and you can't see it.
No, I submitted the form. Thanks, Tiffany. Tiffany just submitted.
Prices on BBL and Lipo 360.
What about eye bags? I've got some eye bags. We did some filler and
BBL
Agnes
starts at
or surgery.
$99.99. Tummy
Hit the
tuck
get a
is
quote.
about, I think, $14.99.
Misha, hit the get a
Mini
quote. Can
tummy
you
tuck,
reduce
probably
glutes?
about
Yes, lipo the glutes.
$12.99.
Hit the quote button below. Misha. Cookie, thank you. You're welcome.
Can you help with sagging neck? You might need a neck lift. Hit the little get a quote. You've lost over 200 pounds. How do I know when it's time
If
to
I
get
fly
work
down for
done?
consult, could I get filler while I'm there
When
before my
your
surgery? Yes, you
weight
can,
has
Tiffany.
been stable for 6 months
Hit
and
that
you're
as
happy
far
with
as
your weight.
what you want done, and I'll do it for you. You'll get a plastic surgeon doing it. Could you please explain fictus and diastasis recti? Muscles are apart. We put them together with a stitch. You don't even know what we're doing. Hair is gorgeous, Doc. Thank you. He did it for me. He put some extensions. Botox in between the eyebrows. I get it all the time. I just got this and this and my sides.
Araceli, I'm in Austin. Where can we get a consultation? San Antonio. Fill out this
And we can do virtual. He'll do it today.
little thing.
Him and I are available for virtuals today. My husband has like fat under eye bags. You handle this? Yes. We do handle fat on the eye bags. Anywhere from $49.99 up to $79.99, depending on what we need to do. Hit the get a quote, Jen.
See you, Amanda.
Right
See
there.
you Saturday.
Amanda, we look forward to seeing you Saturday. Woo!
Yes, so
I'll even bring donuts.
we'll have. She can't. You know how you gonna bring donuts
For you guys.
on Saturday? She can't even eat them.
You can take one home.
That's just mean.
How long do you have to stop eating before your surgery?
Midnight the night before.
We're getting a lot of consults now, man. We've gotten like 10. Sorry, we can't get you on our live. How long do I need to stay in Texas?
I've got
At least 2 weeks.
I've got 100. I've got 80 followers just from this.
You did?
Yeah, I was at 8,700 when like this morning.
Dr. Bam likes long walks on the beach, puppies, and chocolate. And I'm a Taurus. What are you? Virgo?
Virgo.
I could tell.
My husband can eat a donut. Yes. Okay.
Do you let PAs do the surgery? We have First Assist CSTs that assist us. Angel, we don't let you do the surgery.
Yeah, but they don't.
Are gummy bear implants better than saline and silicone? Yes.
Gummy bear implants
silicone.
are silicone. I have a video on my feed about me cutting into implants and what they look like.
This is not as good, YouTube. Let's switch to,
You want to do...
let's do Instagram.